So today we are going to see a clap detection program, and through clap detection we will control our LED through clap. So this is our Arduino board, and this is our sound sensor, which is actually a microphone, and this is our LED which will glow when we detect a clap sound. If we detect a clap sound, then it will goes off, and if we clap sound, then it will glow on. So this is our Arduino setup. In the Arduino setup we have created a scenario where if we clap, then our LED, our light will glow. So here we are going to interface sound sensor module. So first of all, interfacing sound sensor module, that is clapping detection program and control LED through clap. Sound sensor, which is actually a transducer device which convert the energy from one form of to other form, which is actually a microphone is transducer, convert the sound energy to electrical signal. Now work opposite to the speaker, it will use electric condenser microphone parallel plate capacitor, which works on variable capacitance. If we see the sound sensor pins, we can see a NOT, that is analog output. We see ground, which is GND. We see VCC, that is plus sign, that is supply 5 volt, and we see a D NOT, which is actually a digital output. So D naught is actually a digital output of microphone. Threshold sensitivity can be achieved by potentiometer. VCC is the supply for this sound sensor. Ground is the ground for the supply. And anode, we will the analog output, real-time analog output voltage signal of microphone. Okay. Now connection to Arduino. If we see the connection, we can see here D naught pin will be connected to any digital pin. VCC will be connected to VCC supply of Arduino. Ground pin of sound sensor will be connected to ground of Arduino. A naught of sound sensor will be connected to A naught of Arduino. Any analog pin of Arduino. Now if we see our program scenario, we have defined our sensor pin, that is 3. We have defined our LED pin, which is 13. Hash defined sensor pin, which is 3. Hash defined LED pin, which is 13. Now अगर हमें अपने प्रोग्राम में लास्ट इवेंट को रिकॉर्ड करना है, तो हम उसके लिए अनसाइंड लॉन्ग डेटा टाइप से लास्ट इवेंट नाम का एक वेरिएबल बनाएंगे, जिसको कि 0 से इनिशियलाइज करेंगे. वेरिएबल टू स्टोर द टाइम व्हेन द लास्ट इवेंट हैपन. बूलियन एलईडी स्टेट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट विल बी फॉल्स, इट विल लो. वेरिएबल टू स्टोर स्टेट ऑफ एलईडी. ओके. नाउ वॉइड सेटअप फंक्शन के अंदर हम पिन मोड फंक्शन के थ्रू अपने एलईडी और सेंसर को आउटपुट और इनपुट असाइन करेंगे. लूप फंक्शन में हम साउंड सेंसर का डेटा रीड करेंगे. उसके लिए हम फंक्शन यूज करेंगे डिजिटल रीड. सो एक वेरिएबल लेंगे इंटीजर टाइप का, दैट विल बी अ सेंसर डेटा, एंड वी विल डिजिटल रीड फ्रॉम दिस सेंसर पिन, this one. If pin goes low, the sound is detected. It means if sensor data is equal to low, and if millisecond, यहाँ पर टाइम फंक्शन यूज हो रहा है, अगर मिलीसेकेंड माइनस लास्ट इवेंट इज ग्रेटर देन 25 वॉट से कम होता है, कम है, तो फिर टॉगल द एलईडी एंड सेट द आउटपुट. एलईडी स्टेट विल बी नॉट इक्वल टू एलईडी स्टेट. जो भी एलईडी स्टेट होगा उसका रिवर्स हो जाएगा. तो क्लैप करेंगे तो ऑफ हो जाएगा, फिर क्लैप करेंगे तो ऑन हो जाएगा, फिर क्लैप करेंगे तो ऑफ हो जाएगा. सो इट विल रिवर्स द स्टेट ऑफ आवर एलईडी. नाउ डिजिटल राइट एलईडी पिन, एंड द स्टेट विल बी डिपेंड ऑन एलईडी स्टेट, दैट विल बी हाई और लो. हियर वी हैव यूज्ड अ operator, ternary operator, which is if the state is condition is true, then the statement 1 is printed, otherwise the statement second will be printed. Now remember when last event happened, last event equals to millis. This is our program. Now let us code it into our Arduino IDE. First of all, write it is on our IDE, then compile it, then upload it. Then you see the USB connection through here, and we have Arduino board, we have a barrel jack, we have a sound sensor, we have a LED. If a sound is detected, then LED will off. If a sound is detected, then the LED will on. So this is the scenario where we can simulate our clapping program to control our AC or DC devices. We can control our fan, LED or anything, any AC devices through clapping. Here for this we have to use a relay module, which is SRD05VDC SLC. We can connect our AC devices to this relay and connect our relay to Arduino to control our AC devices through clapping. So this was the program. This is the sound sensor which is stated here. It looked like this. Thank you.